What's up, McKenzie and Skyler's gang? We have a problem here. Slime's
really hard. And we're going to be fixing it with our mister. And we made it by ourselves and it actually works. So
no, we got to see if it works first.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll show you the ingredients. Put it down.
So we gotta show you the ingredients last.
No. Yes.
We're gonna tell them what we did with the thing.
I want to say it last after we're done with the video.
Oh my gosh, you